We're building a retirement planning web app from scratch using Google Apps Script web app. We will build a professional-looking, real fintech product within a couple of hours with completely free tools.
Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been following along, we've already built a beautiful green and gold interface for our retirement wizard.
We have built the brain, the logic, and the UI. Now it's time to build the soul of our retirement planning wizard. Today is the final lesson in our series, and we're going to inject the dynamic, phase-by-phase checklist arrays. This is the moment your app goes from just a calculator to a full-blown personalized roadmap. And the best part? You're going to build this entire engine in just a few minutes. Think back to where we started. We wanted to move away from those cold, boring spreadsheets that overwhelm users. By adding this final checklist engine, we're creating a custom experience that adapts to the user's age and lifestyle. Whether they're 25 or 65, they'll only see the specific milestones that actually apply to them. That is the power of project-based learning. You aren't just watching code. You're building a premium, functional product that you can actually use for your own business or clients. Open your index.html file one last time. We are replacing the render simple checklist function. I've provided the JavaScript code in text files so you can copy it. The link for the resources file is in the description. First, copy the code from the text file. In your app script editor, search for end of the script block, which looks like this, /script. Just before that ending script tag, paste the code. Now, save and deploy. I hope by now you have mastered to deploy the app script code. Remember to save, deploy, and test at each phase of the app building. Okay, so we deployed after adding the big chunk of code. Click the web app link from deploy screen and test the app in your web browser. Well, this screen does not show the checklist yet, and there is a technical reason for that. This new function will be executed after the Generate Dashboard button is clicked. That button click event executes this render checklist function when we add it at the end of process onboarding function. So let's paste that function. Now we need to see what variables are used for years left and profile for this. Let's scroll and scan the code. Okay, years to retire variable is used to store years left number. Similarly, user data.profile type holds type of family. The concept of variables, function, and function call are very important for coding. Okay, so we added the code to execute render checklist function when Generate Dashboard button is clicked. Time to save and deploy these new changes. Let's try with current age 48 and retirement age 67. Great! Look at this checklist here. It is generated specifically for a 48-year-old couple targeting retirement age at 67. Since years left to retirement is more than 15 years, checklist items are specific to phase 1. All these rules are defined in our code for render simple checklist and process onboarding JavaScript function. Now, all those coding seems very complicated and intimidating, but that is where we can use Gemini. Gemini can act as an expert pair programmer, transforming your plain English requirements into functional, well-structured JavaScript. So please comment below, what app will you build with AppScript? And there you have it. You have officially built, styled, and deployed a complete, fully functioning retirement planning web app from scratch using Google Apps Script and Gemini AI. Give yourself a massive pat on the back. You just built a premium fintech tool using entirely free tools. If your dynamic checklist is updating beautifully and your app is fully live, drop a success or app deployed comment down below so we can celebrate your build as a community. All the final source code and project assets are linked in the description below. If you loved this series and want to build more powerful automation tools, web apps, or AI-driven projects, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Click on the playlist right here to jump into our next development masterclass, and I will see you in the next build.